to get a real summary of how to build up our attention spans and what is it that is holding us back. Now, in yoga psychology, it is very clearly put that you are capable of 5 natural states of mind. You might have heard something of this, but let me put it here very briefly. The 5 states of mind that they speak of is the mudha state, the kshipta state, vikshipta, ekagra, and niruddha. These are the 5 states that yoga psychology talks about. And a lot of commentary you will find on this by Vyas and others. What are they trying to say? You see, the mudha state and the kshipta state, maybe you're quite familiar with, because the mudha state is the dull tamasic state when the mind does not want to move, does not want to think too much, and maybe the state you feel on Sundays, where it's lazy, unmoving. That state of mind will not get you anywhere. That state of mind is okay, maybe occasionally it happens, but it's something to be got rid of. That is not a solution to anything in life. The next is the kshipta state, where the mind is extremely restless and distracted. So this state also we know what it is like. When the mind is simply out of control, thoughts are just happening. We are not thinking. They are just going on. And occasionally you just become aware of what is going on in your mind. It produces immense restlessness within. And you really feel, where am I going with this kind of a mind? So many of us are occasionally in kshipta states. Then we have the vikshipta state, which is the state of being preoccupied with something. You know, this is a state also which you have experienced. All philosophers, scientists, usually they remain in this state, where you are preoccupied with some particular subject, with some definite, specific ideas, and your mind revolves only around that. So this is an important state to achieve and maintain and sustain in order to achieve success in life. The fourth is the ekagra state, where your mind doesn't budge from your subject. It is the state of what is called flow in today's modern psychology. You might have heard the name of Csikszentmihalyi. He worked on this. And he has commented on the Patanjali Yoga Sutras. What a treasury of information they are giving us about concentration and attention. So this ekagra state is what we will be studying in a very deep way, how to generate it. And this is the actual prescription, the cause for your success anywhere. Ability to keep the mind absolutely still at one point and move it only when your will wishes it, not move it due to any external cause. This is a possibility with the human mind, and you are capable of this. And the final state is what is called the niruddha state, where the mind is completely mastered and restrained. So this is a state achieved through the practice of yoga, where no external agent is required for you to reach the highest state of awareness and concentration. You are doing it by default, by yourself. So now for our purposes as students, in order to achieve success in whatever we are doing, it is important for us to make the vikshipta and the ekagra states our default states, our natural states of mind, which means naturally you are preoccupied with something of importance to you at a higher level. Yes, not very distracted, not very restless, and the ekagra state where you're riveted to your subject. These two states should become our default states if we want to achieve success in whatever we are doing.